Okay, following the prototype chapter is the iteration cycle. I'm going to make this a slightly longer video because I want to talk about what is in the book, which is the wigwam method, which is his term, not mine, but I kind of like it and it helps illustrate what the iteration cycle is. Iteration means doing something in a cycle repeatedly. You're going to iterate on a prototype, make a prototype, test it, make changes, test it again. That's an iteration. And wigwam is his acronym to understand what that is. So there's watch, observe your prototype in action, observe what's happening, try to figure out what's working, what isn't working. Ideate. Now this is a generation of ideas to try to figure out how you might improve your idea. G for guess. Take a guess, what you learned so far. Which of your ideas do you think will make the biggest impact? Going to another W, which is essentially figure out what change you're going to make. A, make the change, take action. And then M, measure what's happening. This is something of a watch, but actually doing something quantifiably is a little more effective than just observing something happening. So that's the wigwam. That's a little bit of an illustration of the iteration cycle. There is no hard and fast rule of how many times to do this, but any effective product development process or business development process should have some form of iteration, and realistically, it doesn't really ever stop. Okay.